Joe, now I will show you simple electric circuit. We have two types of circuits. One is parallel and second one is series. In the series connection, here the second terminal of one bulb is connected to first terminal of next bulb. In the same way, all the terminals are connected. As the number of bulbs increases, the brightness of each bulb decreases in the circuit because of more power consumption. Joe, observe here. If one bulb is failed, then total circuit will be failed. Now I will remove one bulb from the circuit.
You're right, Bob.
Yes, Joe. Here, removal of the bulb causes breakage in circuit because of series connection. Now I'll show you parallel connection. In this parallel connection, all the first and second terminals are connected to a common point like this. Here, current is divided equally to all the bulbs, so the brightness remains same for all the bulbs, but source of power will be shorter. Now remove one bulb from the circuit and see what happens.
Hey, remaining bulbs are glowing.
Yes, Joe, it is. Because in the circuit, the bulb which we remove, only that part gets breakage and remaining bulbs glow continuously. This is called parallel connection.
Thanks, Bob. We had a nice time.